What's up, you guys? JFBoosted here. Today I want to tell you guys something crazy, but I got Ride Tech Performance. Look at that. It slipped. So you guys, as you can see here, I got 4 different bags from Ride Tech Performance. Yeah, it's gonna be a lot of unboxing for you guys. You guys are probably gonna enjoy it, but you guys, who knows? I probably got coilovers or bags, or you know, new springs that drop my Mustang more if I'm on a budget. But who knows, dude? So you guys stay tuned. I'm gonna unbox these right now. As I go ahead, I'm gonna just go get a blade real quick. This would probably work. Let's check it out. Yup. First up, I think I'm gonna open this one. So yeah, to start off, we got a instruction manual right here. So inside this box, currently a sway bar and some bolts and end links for it. Let me try to take it out. There you go. Sick, heavy duty sway bar, man. Freaking lit. So you guys, moving on to the next box, we're gonna be opening it and see what's inside. So you guys, this is what I like about the packaging. Everything seems to be well taken care of. They nicely, you know, organized and put inside the box with a good amount of styrofoam to take care of my products from getting scratched. This is probably the first time that's ever happened to me when they deliver the package. So, you know, that's a great, you know, package right there. I would like to thank them for shipping it like that, and yeah. These are bolts. You know, nothing special. They're just like, you know, lower control arms, upper control arms. I don't think you guys really mind me opening that kind of stuff. You guys just want to get to the bottom of it. Check out what I really got for, you know, suspension. So you guys, compared to the, you know, stock ones, as you know, if you guys own a '69 Mustang or any old school car, you know, it's just a basic, you know, upper control arm. It's not really designed like this material, as I'll show you right now. This is, you know, upper control arm. This is just the upper control arm, and you know, it looks perfectly designed. You know, as you can see, they did a custom fabrication with their welding, and you know, they have adjustable tie rods on the ends to, you know, adjust camber or you know, specified how much camber you want or positive camber you want. Because you know, they have, usually in the '69 Mustangs, they have these bolts right here, and then the other side of the control arm there's a shims, and that's just, you know, positive camber or negative depending on what you want, but it's not really much. It's probably like 0.5 of a degree every shim. So yeah, they went with the rod status, so I really like that, especially when I'm gonna be a little bit lower in stock height now, because as you can see, this is like a lifted truck. It's currently 10.5 inches high, so I really want to drop some of high and get a little more of stealth look. But yeah, this is the upper control arms, really nicely made, has its brand right here. Thanks a lot, Ride Tech, you guys are the best. So moving on, there's probably some bolts here. Oh, these are for the ball joints. There you go, it's pretty good. Oh, there you go. This is for the lower control arms. It has the, you know, camber adjustments, and yeah, they look like some shims too for the lower control arm. Oh, there you go. Right here. So you guys, now this is right here is the lower control arm, and as you can see, this is amazing because, as you know, if you guys don't know, this lower control arm for the Mustang is usually one from lower control arm is to this bolt, and then it'll have its separate, usually this right here goes inside, and then it bolts down to the stock lower control arm. Just bolts down like that. It's not really the best. Instead, this actually uses right here a adjustable pivot ball, or I can't say this, like a bearing basically. That way if I go up or down, I don't break this, so that's really great. They did put it in 2. So now I actually have a full, you know, solid lower control arm. Alright guys, so next up will be the other box over there. I'm gonna check what's in here. think this is you know, what you guys are gonna know what I actually got, because looks like these would be the suspension shocks and all that. So let's find out. Moment of truth. What everyone has been waiting for. Damn it. Got a big dome, so I gotta custom make it fit on me. There you go. Ride Tech, my dude. Ride Tech shirt. Yeah, it's lit. Alright guys, the moment we've been waiting for. What I got. Let's see what I got. Let's see what I got. Woo. Let's see. Let's see here. As you can see. Ooh. Gotta wrap the baby up. Ooh. 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 Alright. Ooh. What? What? Oh, dude. Dang, I got freaking bags, my dude. Adjustable, you know. Click type right here to get you that dampening. Ooh, dude. It's lit, man. Look at that. Air ride suspension by Firestone. What the heck? Look at that. That's crazy. So yeah, this is how it works. I'll understand once I read the manual, because I'm not really have the knowledge for bags. I don't know how all this works. I do know they have adjustable dampening. It's fully electronic, so once I make a turn, it'll try to like self-adjust on compression to keep me stiff on tight corners. So yeah, it's a good pro touring suspension. It's not just any type of bag that most people buy. This is currently going to cost me $8,000 for the module setup, the compressor, and the bags with the adjustable rod where it detects like movability or how many G's am I rolling. So this is gonna help a lot. Looks great. This is only the rear springs, so that's why they look thin. This is only the rear bags, so not really big boy status. But moving along, right here, as you can see, I already got bags. It's right here. Look at this. Look at this big boy right here, man. Whew. Now this is the big boy here. Look at that. That is chunky to sustain the weight of my turbos. So you guys, Ride Tech. I like the Ride Tech with the Fox suspension as well. Like how they both collaborated for this wonderful technology. Hey guys, it's a bags. Sturdy, man. I like that. Add that up. I will make an installation video right when I come back from Roadkill Zip Tie Drag Week, which is this Thursday. So yeah, you guys, it's a busy week for me. Once I come back, I'm gonna go ahead and install the bags and get going and see how everything goes. It's gonna be lit. They do come with instructions here. So as you can see, here's the instructions. How to install, how to be a badass, how to install stuff like this. Let's see here. They do have it online, so if you're not really a fan of this, I would just go on your phone and look it up online. Show you how to install it. Like, it tells you barely right here how to drill holes, mount it down. Thing is, I do have that strut bar that I purchased recently, so I am gonna drill holes. I'm gonna drill holes on that strut tower that I got. I'm gonna drill holes and get longer nuts and bolts to fasten it down, because this right here look like it's gonna be short bolts like that, and I'm gonna get a longer one that way I could also put everything together and stiff it up. I want to get the most performance out of my suspension. I like installing stuff because it shows me like Lego toys. I used to build Legos all the time. I built myself a Lego world. Now I'm building my own Lego right here. It's a freaking car, so it's freaking late right now. Yeah, so this is the whole instructions. I will go along and open that, and you'll see what it is. It's a Watts link. Let's Alright guys, coming back to the last box. Sorry, it's kind of dark already. Went to go eat, so now I'm back and I'm on my last box. I already told you what it is, so let's unbox it. Anyways, I think I have to get used to looking at you guys, not on my screen. But, you know, I keep looking like that. It's not helpful. You know, I should just, there you go, I could close it like that. So now I don't really have to look at myself. So now I could look at you guys and look like I'm talking to you. So anyways, I'm gonna unbox this and let's see what's inside. These seem like some flanges. Right here, dude. Right here, they're my purchase. So what this is they go on top of my rear end axles and they mount right here. And down here, they will connect to my. So this goes on my leaf spring purchase. Boom, leaf spring is gonna be like that. And right here, my bags are gonna get connected in here. So yeah, you guys, it's pretty good. Strong material. Weighs probably like 2 pounds. Alright, so this is basically my traction bars from underneath where I have right now the Caltrack racing suspension. This is gonna take over to connect to my 4-link watts for my rear end. So yeah, it's just a rod. So I'll show you that later. Alright guys, this is the Watts link I'm talking about. So this will be mounted like that, and on each side the bags are gonna be there and it's gonna adjust like that, and this is gonna be stiff on my subframe. Whew, this weighs a lot. Hopefully this would cancel the rear end sway bar that I might need, so this would help. Weighs a ton, so I'm gonna put it back in here. By the way, they gave me stickers. So I'm gonna be putting this on my sticker wing because I love putting stickers on my wing. Not on my body. For some reason I like having a clean body, but on the wing, stickers are offered. Oh boy. Alright, so this is how it looks like. This is how the thing looks like. You guys can see it. Yeah, that looks great. You guys, it's literally full bolt on. You might want to do some welding, it shows right here. So I mean, I have no worries. I have some little bit of welding experience, but I think I might just let my boy Derek do the welding because, you know, he's a professional one here. Even though he says he's not a welder, but, you know, I'm sorry, Derek. I had to call you out, but you're a welder. So, here's the instructions, you know, tells you everything about how to do this step. Yeah, it's great, you guys. So yeah, it has everything I need. Well, you guys, thanks for watching my channel. Finally showed you what I actually got, so that's my unboxing. You know, I got freaking bags. It's fucking sick. Can't really cuss, you know. I'm not supposed to cuss. I gotta learn not to cuss no more because it is a YouTube channel and I bet younger people are watching it. So I gotta watch out with my language soon. But this is what I got. I got freaking bags. I'm so excited. Can't wait to install these, like I said, after roadkill. But this is what I got. Thanks for watching. This is the Watts link I got, and the bags and the front end, lower and upper control arm, and the sway bar. So thanks you guys for watching the video. Please subscribe, hit that like button. It'll be so amazing if you guys want to see the following videos of me installing this. I'll try to install it as soon as I can. Once I get back, I'm gonna get right to the job. But thanks for watching. Have a great day or good night, whatever time you guys are watching it. But yeah, you guys, if you guys want to really see the installation, and I'm gonna do this is my steps that I'm gonna do weigh in. So I'm gonna check each part, how much they weigh, and see the difference in how much weight I'm actually putting. Because a lot of people say bags are heavy and they put a lot of weight on your car. A lot of people say that, and I want to point them wrong, saying it might be like 100-pound difference or 50 pounds. Not really much of difference. With that Wattsling, it might add some, you know, weight. But, you know, every coilovers has that setup. So I'm just going to try to do the suspension, springs, and see the difference, how much I'm getting out of on the springs compared to the bags, how much I'm putting back in. So around maybe 56 pounds. That's what I'm saying. 56 pounds, that's how much I'm going to add in. Nothing more than that. And yeah, you guys, hopefully I can still stay below 3,000 pounds. But, you know, who knows, right? So thanks you guys. Check out further videos. You guys are really interested on seeing this progress go. Later on, I am gonna get the compressor and the lines for it, and then after that, I'm gonna go get an actual dyno tune because I'm really behind and I haven't got that. I know, I'm sorry. It's just a lot of stuff keep going ahead because this is a self-tuning EFI system, but it doesn't really put the amount of horsepower that a real actual Pro Tune would do. So I'm really trying to get that soon. But my injectors, they output at 600 horsepower or maybe less since it's meth injection. So I might get a 1200 horsepower EFI system soon because this is not really helping me. Anyways, after that, I'm gonna go get a wide body kit and get custom rims for it. And yeah, you guys, make myself a custom rear diffuser. There's a lot of parts I'm gonna be adding onto it. I'm not even done yet. So you guys really, you gotta stay tuned. And you know, I'm gonna record the roadkill event and some adventures are coming along. But yeah, you guys, there's a lot coming soon. So you know, 2018 is about to be the best year for my car to, you know, chug on so many parts and, you know, chug on my gas and my money. So yeah, you guys, stay tuned for this block. By the way, I might get a forged block, so that'll be even better, but I'm not doing that yet. And you know, that 2019 Mustang just came out like a couple hours ago, the 2019 GT500. I don't know if I should just pause this, but I really want to put all the money on here. But if I want to, I think I'm going to just save up and get that new GT500 2019 vehicle with the grabber with the orange Fury paint. So that way it matches with this Mustang. It'll be freaking awesome to have two Mustangs with the same color twinning up. So yeah, you guys, thanks for watching, ciao, and have a great day. Like I said, JFBoosted out.